Hello, welcome back to the video. Okay, it's your girl Renee. It is Monday. I think it's the, let me see my watch say. It's the 10th, February 10th. Whew, y'all, I'm out of breath. So I am on my way to just run some errands. I need to go to the bank, I need to go to the dollar store, I need to go to Target, and y'all chill on Target. Okay, I understand. Believe me, as a woman, as a black woman with the whole DEI policy, I definitely understand and I get it. But at the same time, it's like, first of all, if you listen to some of these black owned brands that's in Target, which I do support some of them, they even talk about how, you know, it affects them as a business owner if we are actually not even shopping at Target. You know, like if we're not buying their products, it will actually affect them in a negative way. So it would only really hurt them a little bit more. So yeah, but first I'm gonna go to the dollar store because that is literally right across from me, and I don't know what my next stop's gonna be. I also need to go to the car wash, and y'all, I have not washed my car in months, the inside or the outside, for real. So I think like October, November, no, probably like September. So it's time, okay. But yeah, so just running those a few errands. I'm also trying to figure out what I like to eat, but I'm about to stop at the dollar store first to get like a little basket or some type of red something for Bay. I'm gonna make him a little gift basket with just his favorite snacks and like a card and stuff for Valentine's Day, and I'm gonna cook dinner for him and all that good stuff. We're gonna stay in for Valentine's Day and then go out on our anniversary, which is on the following Monday. So which will be better because, you know, the restaurant's gonna be real crowded for Valentine's Day, so it just works better for us that way anyway. But yeah, so hello. Running my errands with me. I'll give y'all a little Target hygiene haul because that's what I need to get from Target, like a lot of hygiene stuff, just a restock, because child, you know, everything run out at the same time. You always run out of all your favorite stuff at the same time, so it is that time. So hopefully I don't take too long at the dollar store because, you know, they only be having one person at the cash register. Okay, so, but it's the middle of the day, so hopefully not too many people is out. But yeah, I will see y'all at the store. Made it to the dollar store. They have these little buckets. I think this might work. Those ones might be too small. I think I'm gonna get this one. You're looking for Valentine's Day candy. Y'all, they already got the Easter candy out. Like bunnies, peeps. Okay, now I'm in the card section. They have a few that say husband. So let's see. For my husband, one of my favorite things about being married to is watching time deepen those qualities I fell in love with right from the start. It seems like each year finds you even richer in the gentle strength and easy kindness that have always been the heart of who you are. You are a good man who just keeps getting better year after year, and I keep loving you more. That's kind of cute. For the love, for all the love, the give and takes, the sacrifices that you make for being husband, partner, friend, all the caring time you spend doing everything you do. I love you. Thanks for being here. I think I like this one better. Oh, I think I like that one better. Baby, you're all I ever wanted and needed. And your love is the only thing on my wish list. Nothing else even comes close. Husband, you make my heart happy. Love you more each hour. Love you more each minute. Love the way my world lights up each moment that you're in it. That's kind of cute. Husband, for me, it's giving me more and more. And I kind of like these both. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Let me see. For my husband with love and thanks to God. When I tell you I love you, it means a lot more than 3 little words. It means I enjoy you in all the ways you make life an adventure. It means I appreciate you and your support and encouragement. It means I respect you all the way you work hard and the way you live out your faith. It means I still think you're quite a catch. And just for a second, I love you means I would rather be with you during life, love. Actually, so God, I knew you. I like this one. This is the winner. All right, y'all. I finished at the dollar store. Got almost everything I needed. There was just, they didn't have the type of popcorn he liked. And they also didn't have no chips that he liked. So I did get a bunch of candy though. And I got this for me, this Nerds rope. And then I got these, I kind of wanted something sour. So I just got these sour crybaby gums that don't hold its flavor longer than 2 seconds. But I just really wanted the sour taste. So I should have just got 2 of these Nerds rope because this is hitting right now. But now I'm gonna wait to Target. We have made it to the land of Target. First time at this Target, and apparently they just have this locked up, this brand, and this is what I need, the foaming cleanser, but they don't even have no button over here to press for nobody, so that's annoying. And I'm not gonna be walking around the store doing that, so I'm gonna go ahead and go back to Sarah Bay, at least for now. Wow, this lady in Target, I swear she's racist right now because I don't even be talking to people, you know. But I'm be polite at the cashier, you know, say hello, whatever. She having a full-blown conversation with the person in front of me. I'm not saying I want to have a full-blown conversation. I'm just saying that's what she was doing. And then I come up, she don't even look at me. I said hello. She glanced up, looked back down. Then I said hello again. She said hi. She said hi. Not even looking at me. I said okay, whatever, right? I had split my transactions to 2 because, you know, sometimes, you know, Target the little $5 gift cards. You know, sometimes you want to split all that. So, you know, I split into 2 so I can, you know, get my little points. And she's like, oh, we're done here. I said, no, we're not. I was like, that's my stuff. She's oh, okay. And it was just so weird. And then I kind of was moving slow to see if she talked to the lady behind me. The lady behind me, she immediately starts a full-on conversation with her. And I just know she was racist because it was a very weird interaction. So I don't know about that. Very weird. Oh, hey y'all, so it's literally like 4 days later and I just washed and blow dried my hair, so that's why I'm looking like this. It's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. I have still not put Vay's little gift together, so I'm about to put that together right now. It's early, and I was supposed to have a whole maintenance day. I was gonna do my hair, go get my nails done, my toes done, and then cook dinner and everything for Vay. So, but someone booked a last minute hair appointment. The money's calling. What do I do? Answer the phone. Okay, so I gotta do someone's hair at 10. It's like 8 o'clock now. So I'm about to make this gift basket, and I low-key would have done the whole quickly right now, but I have not got the food from the store yet that I'm gonna cook for him tonight because I just didn't want him to see it in the freezer or refrigerator or anything like that. So I need to go this morning. So I just washed and blow dry my hair right now. I'm about to get dressed real quick, run to the store, hopefully be back by like 9, and then do my braid base. And that way, like, I'm gonna just do a quick weave. And then hopefully I'm done with my braid base by 10, and then do my client, be done with her by 12:31. And then I'll have a couple hours to finish up doing my hair. I don't think I'll have time to get my nails done just because I don't even know these nail shops out here. And I don't know how long they take. I don't know what the wait looks like. It's Valentine's Day. People trying to get nice, you know. So probably would just wait to get my nails done tomorrow because our anniversary is on Monday. So I still gotta look good, okay? And then, but I am going to just cook dinner, make sure the house is all nice and clean and cute for when he comes back. So I did forget to get the rose petals, so I was gonna have to order those online because they did not have no more at the stores, but that's okay. We just gonna make it do. I got a little table runner and I got some little candles, so we gonna make it work. And just make sure it's all nice and organized and clean and stuff. So let me hurry up and put the gift basket together so that way I can get to the store, get back, do my braid base, do my client, and get on with my day. Yeah. All right, y'all. So, change of plans. I ended up canceling on my client because she was insanely late. I did my hair. Okay, she's doing something, and I just got my nails done. Happy Valentine's Day. I love this hot pink. It's super cute. So now I'm about to go back home, finish cleaning up the house, and cook dinner for my man. So my husband's gonna be home any minute now. I just put this red dress on. Oh, the only thing that fit over my belly. My hair's done. I literally just put eyebrows, lip gloss, mascara. Got the little table set for him. I'm gonna light the candles when we eat dinner. I'm about to cook dinner now. It's only 4 o'clock, but it should be done by like 5 if I start now. He's already on his way home, so he'll probably be home shortly. But I'm starving, so I'm about to eat a little Uncrustable real quick while I cook. So I'm just vibing, listening to music. I got my salmon, asparagus. Y'all can't see asparagus, and I'm doing red potatoes. So yeah.